Hi, my name is Brooklyn from Troop 73. My troop made cat and dog toys for the Animal House Shelter. I made this cat toy. What you need to make it is one wooden rod. It could be colored or not. You also need a piece of tape and string to put the string on. And next, you can add whatever you want. We have to tape all these on. You could use cloth, feathers, pipe cleaners, jingle bells, whatever you want. And that's how you make a cat toy. My troop is so excited to donate these to the Animal House Shelter. Thank you.